An EV company on the rise started feeling the weight of rapid growth. User traffic surged. Orders scaled. Data flows got heavier, fast. Systems lagged, performance dipped, ops struggled to keep pace. Legacy cloud made scaling complex. New workloads slowed things down, no room for growth. Rapyder migrated the entire stack to AWS, secure, scalable, simplified.
For the client, we successfully migrated over 25 microservices to Amazon EKS across both production and development environments. We deployed Kafka on both to enable real-time communications. Aurora PostgreSQL helped improve database performance, while Jenkins pipelines enabled seamless deployments. For the security front, we implemented AWS KMS Inspector and hardened AMIs to strengthen the infrastructure. For visibility and control, we use CloudTrail, CloudWatch, and Budget to monitor usage, cost, and performance.
Faster apps, less manual work, no scaling issues. Infra that matches their ambition. Built by Rapyder, ready for what's next.